We just got our very first close-up look at the DJI Avata 360 as new leaked images have surfaced. They were shared by Quadro News on X, and they give us a clear look at DJI's very first drone with a 360 camera. The frame looks very similar to the Avata 2, but it looks a bit larger and thinner. In fact, the camera module is placed right in between the propellers, not above the duct guards like the previous models. That's because the 360 footage is more optimized and natural when the two lenses are as close as possible to each other. So the whole body of the drone needs to be thin, and it had to be slightly larger compared to the previous Cinehoop models from DJI. But from this image, we still can't see the lens at the top. It looks like a normal drone. That's because the whole camera module will be able to rotate vertically and hide one of the two lenses, allowing the drone to fly in FPV mode like all the other Avata series drones. But when the camera rotates, the primary lens now points downwards, while the secondary camera covers the top, allowing 360 footage. That shows very clearly how versatile this drone will be. It might even be considered the Avata 2 successor, not just a separate 360 model, since it doesn't compromise on anything a Cinehoop would need to have. It just adds a new feature that makes it much more versatile and engaging to use. The fact it's not a folding drone means it can also be used in acro mode, and that combined with the 360-degree field of view would be a very immersive experience. The cameras should be able to record in 8K, and the size will be 1/1.1-inch diagonal. These new images also show us the battery placement and the charging hub, which houses 3 batteries. We can also see it next to the previous model, and given how similar it is in size, I'm not so sure it will weigh less than 250 grams. We will surely know more in the next few weeks, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update, and drop a like if this video was helpful.